All right, hey, Geno here with Music Villa and Tyler Saunders here from Music Villa. Today, I want to talk to you about some really cool products from Evans drumheads. These are the DB1 series of cymbals and practice drumheads. And so what's really cool about this is they sound really quite good, and they're 80% quieter than traditional drums. I was hitting those hard, and yeah, it's not like it's quiet in here, but it's definitely much quieter, and it sounds pretty cool. It kind of has its own vibe. What I found is really fun is you can just have headphones in and play along, and because the drums are quieter and subdued, it's a great alternative for an acoustic drummer who doesn't want to practice with electronic drums. It's basically what's going on. So let's talk about these really quick. The snare drum head is very interesting because it's actually got almost like I want to say packing tape or something under the heads. And what's really cool is the snares are off. You kind of get two different snare sounds. I like the snares definitely off. I think it's a little fatter, sound even better for jazz, I thought. The tom-tom heads are interesting because they've got a combination of, they're all this kind of, some sort of, I don't know, mylar or carbon fiber or something for the head. But they've got pads and a strike point, if you happen to hit it. I thought tuning the toms kind of freaked me out because you kind of have to tune the bottom heads, which you should do anyway. But I managed to get them sounding pretty good. So the kick drum head is got a nice strike plate and a big pad on it. Still sounds like a kick drum, very quiet kick drum. So that's the heads. The cymbals are, you've seen these from a lot of companies that have, you know, all the perforated holes to lower the brass content. And then Evans also did something really cool. The coloring, maybe it's just coloring, but I find them to be a little softer sounding than some of the other brands out there because of the coloring on them. The set consists of a 14-inch set of hi-hats, a 16 and an 18-inch crash, and a 20-inch ride cymbal. And that's that. So you can outfit most standard size drums with the heads and the cymbals, but we've got them in the store. Come on in and touch them and feel them and talk about them.